Kale and banana muffin recipe. Kale and banana muffins are an excellent way to incorporate healthy greens into a tasty snack. This step-by-step recipe is simple to follow and yields delicious results, so grab your ingredients and get ready to bake. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, 1½ cups of chopped kale, 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Having all your ingredients measured and prepared ahead of time will make the baking process smoother. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, you can start preparing the batter. In a large mixing bowl, mash the bananas until smooth. Add the kale, honey, melted coconut oil, and eggs to the bowl. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in dense muffins. The batter should be thick but still slightly lumpy. Once the batter is ready, line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease the tin with a small amount of coconut oil. Fill each muffin cup about 3/4 full with the batter. This will allow the muffins to rise and expand during baking. If desired, you can sprinkle some oats or chopped nuts on top of the muffins for added texture. Place the muffin tin in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20–25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. The muffins should be golden brown on the top. Once baked, remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, enjoy your delicious kale and banana muffins. They make a perfect on-the-go breakfast, a satisfying snack, or a nutritious addition to lunch boxes. These muffins can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or they can be frozen for a longer shelf life. However you choose to enjoy them, these kale and banana muffins are sure to be a hit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more information on kale and its health benefits.